In this video, I'm going to provide you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your CloudToken wallet using the referral code that the person that has shared this wonderful platform has provided you. So the first topic is where to download the app. If you have an Android phone, you can actually go directly into the Google Play Store and type in CloudToken, no space, just like that, and find this app, which looks like, I guess, a swivel, and download that app. If you have an iOS device, whether it be an actual phone, an Apple phone or an iPad, you have to go to cloudtokenwallet.com and click iOS, and you can download it from there. You do need to provide authorization in your settings, which is here. Once you begin to download the app, it'll ask you to provide the settings. Go to settings, general, and then device management, and then you will have to hit the authorization to allow the CloudToken wallet to open up on your iOS phone. And the reason that it's not in the Apple Store is because Apple is a bit more critical, and they're in the process of actually putting that in the Apple Store, just as it is already in the Google Play Store. So that's some of the differences between Android and Apple. Also, in order to activate the arbitrage on an Android device, you will need to do Google Authenticator, which is a app that actually allows you to create extra levels of security. There's a separate video on how to set up Google Authenticator, but you need to integrate that into the CloudToken wallet to be able to activate the arbitrage. So we're going to go through a actual demonstration of how to register your account. You will open up the CloudToken wallet by clicking on the app and be dazzled by its animation. And then once that opens up, you can't log in because you don't have an account. So you're going to create an account by clicking create account, and then you're going to simply paste the referral code that you were given by the person that has shared this platform with you. Hit next, and then you're going to create a PIN. This is typically a actually it could be an 8-digit character or a number or a set of characters. So let's just go with I think that's so you use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters and numbers, including at least one number and one lowercase and one uppercase. So let's just do something very, very simple. A, B, C. A was capitalized, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so make sure to save that, as you don't want to be locked out of your account. Then you're going to create a PIN. This is a payment PIN. So what you had created previously was like a password. This is a payment PIN. You want to create that this payment PIN, which you're going to need to move or activate your AI and do any sort of withdrawals. So make sure to jot this down. Again, 6-digit code here. The other one was 8-digit combination of letters and numbers. This is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that is created. Now, these are the mnemonics. You want to save this. This is like a security code. It's very, very important that you save this because you're going to need it when you want to recover your account should you forget your password. So make sure to take a screenshot and also write it down, because you're going to need it on the next page where they're going to ask you, and I'm just going to take a quick picture so that we can move things along here. And on the next page, they're going to ask you to put it in sequential order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the order that it says. So we're going to go with goddess, prison, mixture gather. So mixture gather, farm, office. That'd be a nice office. Wait, see, something is wrong. So in order to, it's actually farm, office, or gather, farm, office, state. Then it's shoe, gentle, mushroom, ask, and then proceed. And now you're given the 16-digit login number, which is actually kind of like your username, your login PIN, and the payment PIN. What I would do before you hit login is hit that little eyeball there, and that will actually unveil what your login pin is and your payment pin is. You want to make sure that that's exactly what you have. Feel free to write that down, or if you wish, take a screenshot and save it into a folder so you do not forget, because that would be tragic. So, and also remember to save your mnemonic. Once you log in, what we're going to do now is how to fund the account. So this is the app. It shows you the cryptos that you can transfer into the wallet. Let's say that this is CTO, the Cloud token, which is currently at 37 cents and 83 half cents, which is incredible considering that just less than 2 weeks ago it was around 30 cents. So let's say you want to transfer Ethereum. You would hit Ethereum and then deposit, and then this is the Ethereum wallet address. That's that long code. Now instead of writing it, you're gonna hit copy. It's copied to your clipboard. Go ahead and send it to yourself, or open up the other crypto wallet that you currently have, whether it be Coinbase, and paste that in there and send crypto into the wallet. Now you can begin this journey with any amount of crypto. I highly recommend well over 500, because you need at least 500 to earn off the amazing referral program that they have in here. And so the way you activate it is once the Ethereum or whichever crypto you wish of these sets, which by the way, they're going to add more crypto in here, more crypto options. Once that gets in here, you're going to, well, if you send it, it should get there within a few hours, if not even earlier. But sometimes this needs a bit of refreshing, and the way you refresh it is by clicking this, and it will actually update here. Even if it doesn't update there, then it will update. But once it's there, you're going to go to projects and hit Jarvis. Now, by the way, I want to explain something. CloudToken is a platform that's going to have many different projects on there. Currently, there's just one project called Jarvis, which uses exchange arbitrage to earn us about 6 to 12% per month. And this is in Chinese, which you can change the language of that. So hit this agreement and participate. Now, this is after the funds clear in your account. And then you will hit, in this case, we were trying to transfer Ethereum into the wallet. So hit Ethereum. And then once that opens up, you can enter let's say you transferred 5 Ethereum. You can activate with, let's say, 3 Ethereum or all of it. Just because it's sitting in the wallet doesn't mean that it's working. You need to activate it within Jarvis AI. So what I would highly recommend is putting max, which will put the maximum amount of Ethereum you have, allowing you to earn the most amount. And then you hit proceed. There's a green check mark, and then within 15 to 30 minutes, it would actually activate, and then starting the next day, you should be able to see your earnings. So now the question is, how do you share this wonderful platform with others? By clicking on these 3 lines, you'll see your 16-digit code right there. And then also next to it, you'll see it says referral code. That is the number that you would give to someone that you want to share this platform with. You can just simply hit that button. It says that it has been copied to your clipboard, and that way you can just text that out to someone who wishes to join you. Speaking of joining you, how do you check who has registered with you? Well, you go to levels, partners, and you can actually see people that are on your first level, second level, and third level. That's the maximum degree that you can see your genealogy. One thing that you should always ask for when you sign someone up, and also something that I will always ask for, and you should also pass on to your sponsors, is the last 4 of the 16-digit number, so that they can actually verify that you are properly signed up with them. So that's, in this case, 9859 at the top, or as you will see here, 9859. So you can find that 16-digit number in both fully here. So after that, after you sign up, make sure to send those last 4 digits up to your sponsor, the person that shared this with you, and have them confirm that you are properly signed up with them. And the way that you would also then check your team volume, which you get a percentage of on a daily basis, is by hitting levels and performance. That will tell you the volume that you have on your team, and this will be ever growing as you grow your team. And finally, how do you check your daily earnings? You would actually go to returns, and it's very important. The daily returns are paid to you in the form of CloudToken. So if it's a 10% month of a $1,000 account, the $100 would be paid in the form of CloudToken, which would be deposited here on a daily basis. and you would get the USD representation of that down here on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it would tell you how much USD or what you're making on a daily basis. That's extremely important, extremely fun to take a look at, because you could be making $5 a day and then move up to 6, 7, 8. So it's really exciting to wake up and see what your new daily rate is, and you could calculate that by multiplying it out by 30 days to see what your monthly rate is. So extremely fun, extremely exciting. This should help you get started and start earning crypto on a daily basis. Feel free to share this video with your team so that they too can duplicate these instructional steps to get them up and running as quickly as possible.